Having trouble with your Echo Dot showing offline in the Alexa app? This can happen due to Wi-Fi issues, power problems, or outdated software. In this video, I'll show you how to fix the Echo Dot when it appears offline in the Alexa app, step by step. So let's jump right into it. Before doing anything else, make sure your phone has a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection. Your Bluetooth is turned on. After that, try to follow the advanced solutions. Solution 1. Restart the Alexa Echo. Unplug the power adapter from the Echo Dot for about 10 to 15 seconds, and then plug it back in. After that, open the Alexa apps open. Tap the bulb icon. Select your device. Tap Settings. Tap Wi-Fi Network. Check the connection health. If this says, that means you have no issues with Wi-Fi. However, if this says poor, that means you have issues with internet, so you can restart your Wi-Fi to solve that problem. Solution 2. Force close and reopen the Alexa app. Swipe up from the bottom of the screen to see Open Apps. Then swipe the Alexa app off the screen. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe. Got any questions? Just drop them in the comments. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next one. Take care.